Hey guys, what is going on? So this is gonna be a short video on my thoughts on the iPhone XS Max as a Note 9 user. I'm gonna tell you what I noticed and why I still prefer my Note 9 instead of the iPhone. The iPhone does offer a bit more when it comes to selfies. My favorite is the selfie studio light, where it darkens the background when you're taking a selfie, and I think that looks really cool, and the iPhone does a pretty good job when doing it. However, I think it does alter your face. It could make your face skinnier. I think it did with mine, as you can see here. So I don't know about that, but it does look cool. I really do like it. Now, people have a hard time using the gestures, but I really had no problem using them. So it's fun to swipe around, use the gestures, get where you need to get, and I think that's a good way to use your phone. Now, at first I was skeptical that all you have is Face Unlock, but it turns out to be extremely reliable. Like, it's 10 times better than my Note 9. So I don't even have to look directly at the phone. I can just, it could be on a table, I can just glance at it and it's gonna unlock. So I really like that. Now, when I open apps, they do load a bit slower, like third-party apps in particular. It's not a big deal. They load like half a second slower than my Note 9, and you do notice that. So that I am not a big fan of. Now, because they made the display 19.9 instead of an 18.8, the video does, when you're watching YouTube, the videos do cut in more than the Note 9. And then you got that notch that doesn't help at all. So I don't really like to watch videos on the iPhone XS Max just because of that issue. The haptic engine feels surreal. It feels extremely well. Everything I do, it feels very real and makes the overall experience a pleasure to use the iPhone. So there you have it. That is what I think of the iPhone XS Max. It is a great phone. I personally prefer the Note 9, but I do really enjoy the iPhone, and I do respect Apple for what they do. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe for more videos. Peace.